So here I'm starting off by using my Pond's facial moisturizer to moisturize my face. Then I went straight into my brows, filled those in, cleaned that up. And now I'm going to use my P. Louise eyeshadow base to prep my eyes before applying my shadows.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Right here I'm applying the brown from the Juvia's Space Zulu palette to get a deeper depth in the crease of my eyes before applying my nude shadow.
A song, I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go.
Here I'm applying the P. Louise base again. This one is 0.5. I'm using this as a base to put my cream shadow over.
And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
Here I wasn't able to apply my liquid liner on camera, so I did those off. First I did the black liner, then I did the white on top, and I came out with that look. Prepping my face with the LA Girl, what's that called? LA Girl facial primer, and I'm just applying that all over my face in the areas I know that I normally sweat or my makeup moves. Then I'm applying my foundation right after. I'm using Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 336. I seriously do not remember what I was talking about right here, but it seems to be awesomely funny. So yeah, I just add that in. Here I'm applying L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I was talking so much right here that it almost completely dried out on me, so don't do that. I don't usually use a blending sponge to blend out my highlighted areas. I normally use a small brush, so that's what I'm doing right here. I only normally put concealer under my eyes and my nose, and then I spread it on the rest of my face to where I want highlighted. Right here I'm just using a regular face powder to blend out the rest of my face, as well as blend the concealer. Using two powders. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup powder as well as the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I mix both and then I'm just pressing it into my skin. I'm not really baking, I'm just lightly pressing it there. Don't judge me, I shower with this like my whole face just took a bath. I'm using the Mario Badescu rose water spray just to get the ashy powder look from my face, and then I let that dry down. Then I go over it with the Morphe continuous setting spray. Apply an orange peachish blush to my face. I normally do that after I highlight so it can dull down the highlight in case I go too much on it. Brown pencil to line my lips before applying my liquid lipsticks. The ones I'm going to use are Colourpop in Chi and Milani Gloss to go over that. And that's the finished look, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on all my social media platforms. They'll be listed down below in the description section. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
This shit so good should be illegal. Need round two, I need a sequel. Hit the backwood like a freak though. You next level, you a chico. In so deep, you hit my seat plug. Got me singing like Alicia. Got me using all your lingo. Tell your girlfriend that you sing.